how you can fix Face ID not working on your iPhone 11. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then, scroll further down and select Face ID and Attention. Here, turn off the toggle for Require Attention for Face ID. A pop-up will appear. Tap on OK to confirm. Next, go back to the Settings menu and tap on General. Then, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From the options, tap on Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. Keep in mind that this will reset your personalized settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper, but your data will remain safe. Once the reset is complete, go back to the Settings menu and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to access the Face ID settings. Now, turn off the toggle for iPhone Unlock. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Finally, go back to Face ID and Passcode again. Now, scroll down and enable the toggle for Erase Data. This ensures added security by erasing data after 10 failed attempts to unlock your phone with Face ID. And that's it. That's how you can fix Face ID not working on your iPhone 11.